My name is Andrew Bracking. I am one of the company directors of Newfields Timber in the middle of Stoke-on-Trent. We've been operating for 85 years. We are a general timber merchants, but we also offer a export packaging service, whether it be pallets or whether it be packing cases. We can offer a bespoke service for the export, air freight or sea freight industry. Mostly plywood, softwood plywood, for the use of the packing cases as we make. A lot of these cases aren't standard. So easy for the lads to get a cutting list, to go and set the saw up for that particular size, and it can be cut within minutes. Don't get me wrong, if we're doing 100 of those cases, it's equally as good. The quality of the machine and also the flexibility and how easy it was to use. The operatives have found it very easy to use with the different sizes. We cut, it's so easy for the machine to be set up. Daltons, we've dealt with Daltons for many years, and we have found the sales and the backup to be very good.